Setting up port forwarding on your Linksys Smart Wi-Fi routers enables faster and safer sending and receiving of specific data requests from a computer to the Internet. Port forwarding in general governs the flow of electronic signals to stick to the path of a specified port into your computer. When these electronic signals can easily find their way to their destinations, it helps increase connectivity and speed, especially when hosting a computer game, streaming HD videos, or downloading large files. This video will guide you on setting up single port forwarding using the Linksys Smart Wi-Fi app. Before we begin, let's start with the basic requirements. First, make sure that your Linksys Smart Wi-Fi router is already set up. If you need help on this, you may check our other videos for instructions. Second, take note of the port you need to forward. Service ports have different assigned numbers depending on the type of service, hardware, or application. Third, set a static IP address on the device. You'll need to assign a static IP address or a non-changing IP address, so the port forwarding request will be sent and received from the same IP address. Lastly, a desktop or laptop computer that's currently connected to your network. Now we're ready. Step 1. On your desktop or laptop computer, log into your Linksys Smart Wi-Fi account. Launch a web browser and enter myrouter.local on the address bar. Enter your email address and password, then click Login. Step 2. On the navigation pane under Router Settings, select Security. Step 3. On the Security window, select the Apps and Gaming tab. Select the Single Port Forwarding sub-tab and click the Add a New Single Port Forwarding button. Step 4. Enter the details of the device you want to port forward. As an example, we'll port forward a Linksys WVC80N home monitoring camera to enable its remote access feature, which means you can access your monitoring camera even when you're away from your home network. Make sure to enter the application name, external and internal ports, the protocol to be used, and the device IP correctly. Setting the protocol to the default Both option is recommended to utilize both TCP and UDP options and ensure a smooth and fast connectivity. Step 5. Click Apply to save changes. Congratulations! You've successfully set up single port forwarding using the Linksys Smart Wi-Fi app. The single port forwarding feature helps in ensuring that your devices have smooth streaming and connectivity. It's easy to add multiple devices for your convenience, and you can even add a smart TV to the mix, enabling you to get more out of your home network. Building a connected home is easier when you're using the Linksys Smart Wi-Fi routers.